Hey guys, welcome to another vlog and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Marilyn and I'm going to bring you guys along with my Friday. It's Easter long weekend and I'm actually about to head out to an appointment at this consignment store that's in Vancouver called Mine and Yours Co. And I'm so excited because I'm able to go there and pick up a little consignment designer handbag for the weekend and shoot content with it. So I'm literally so excited for that and I'm about to head there now. I'm going to show you guys my outfit. Super basic, and I also haven't put any makeup on yet, but I'm wearing this ribbed cropped TNA tee from Aritzia. This is actually such a good staple top and I have it also in gray. This little handbag is from ASOS. I got it a long time ago, but you can kind of find these anywhere nowadays. And then these cargo pants from Garage. They're carpenter pant, I think. Guys, I actually wear these like in every vlog and I do in fact wear them a lot. So I was gonna say it's just in the vlogs, but no, it's like all the time I wear them and I love them. I love how they fit. They're like such a cute pant. So this is the fit, super basic, and I need to get ready to head out now because I have to get there by like 1:15, 1:20 and it's already 12:26 and it's a bit of a drive for me, so we better go in a little bit. Also, as you guys saw, I woke up and just like did my bedding right away because I just feel like I've been needing to get my bedding done. So here's your sign to wash your bedding because you're gonna have the best sleep, and that's what I'm so excited for. Like I know I'm gonna have the best sleep tonight, and yeah, wash your bedding, guys. I kid you not, when I was doing my makeup, I literally poked myself in the eye with my brow, little angled brush for my eyebrows. I literally poked myself in the eye. My eye still feels wonky, but anyways, I am late and I need to skedaddle.
Sometimes, I don't want to say always, it just depends on the person, but
guys, look how cute this is. It's so girly. Can't zip it up in the back, but I love this detailing here. Also, excuse me, but like these bags, this bag I have literally wanted, just like dreamed of having basically for years. I love that bag so much as a designer. Like, come on, so cute. And this Prada is so cute. I'm obsessed. Love it. I just came back into the car from Mine and Yours and I love that store so much. Guys, it feels surreal to me that I literally have like designer bags with me right now. I know I'm borrowing them and they're not actually mine, but it just feels, crazy to me. I'm just feeling so lucky and I feel so cool. I don't know. I ended up going with the Dior saddlebag and the Prada bag, and the Prada is so cute. It's like this royal blue color and it has like gold detailing, which is so perfect, and then such a cute pop of color for spring. I'm really excited to shoot content for that. And then the saddlebag, oh my god, I have no words. The saddlebag is stunning and it's like my Pinterest dreams. I'm pretty sure I've looked at that bag like on Pinterest for years now and I've always saved it to boards because it's like the most stunning bag ever. I'm so excited to wear that one. I was really debating getting a coffee, but I did not because I shouldn't spend money on coffee and I'm about to go work out soon and I don't want to have like so much caffeine because I usually take pre-workout. Also, I don't think I've ever showed this in the vlogs, but I got this for Christmas, this Hydro Flask from my friend, and I'm literally like obsessed with this bottle. I used to have a Swill bottle, like sorry, this is replaced now. Or it got replaced with this one because this one's just like 10 times better. And then it has this navy little cap and my friend got me a pink lid as well. And I actually think I should switch it because it's starting to get warmer and my whole thing was that I wanted to switch it for spring, summertime. So I kind of should do that, I feel like, maybe soon. So as you guys know, I can't live without my everyday gold jewelry, and I'm so excited because Ana Luisa is sponsoring this video. So thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I have been absolutely loving their jewelry recently, and as you guys know, Mother's Day is coming up soon and they have a Mother's Day sale that is perfect for if you're looking for a gift to get your mom, to treat her to some new jewelry. And I wanted to show you guys some pieces that you could pick up for your mom and or you as well. So first up are these earrings that I'm wearing from Ana Luisa. They're like these twisty croissant looking hoops, and they are so stunning and they are such a cute staple piece. I really like wearing these with like a basic outfit because it just kind of elevates the look and the outfit. And then I got this stunning necklace. It's this gold necklace chain with this really stunning little teardrop shaped gem. It's so beautiful. And then I also got these little earrings to match. They're like these little hoops with the same diamond at the end in the teardrop shape, which are just absolutely stunning. And if you wear them all together, it all matches. So I love that. And I love, as you guys know, matching my jewelry, stacking my jewelry. And Ana Luisa is perfect for your everyday jewelry because they have so many different styles to choose from, and their jewelry is super great quality, and it's also really affordable. I am all for affordable jewelry that is great quality, and I think that's so important. What I also love about Ana Luisa is that they care about the planet. So from their jewelry to also their packaging, they are carbon neutral, which I love, and each piece comes in these little carbon neutral sustainable little pouches, which I'm obsessed with and are perfect for traveling and if you're on the go. I think definitely for spring, and if you're looking to like reinvent yourself, reinvent your pieces, reinvent your wardrobe, Ana Luisa is great to check out for some new jewelry for spring summertime. So make sure to shop their Mother's Day sale that's happening. Their sale is buy one get one 40% off, so you can get one for your mom and you can get one for you as well. Thanks again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video, and let's get back into the vlog. Happy Saturday. It is currently 1:40 and I'm headed to Brandon's field lacrosse game right now. This is the fit. Oh god, also don't mind, I literally have a pile of laundry behind me. I need to do laundry either today or tomorrow, but it's okay. I'm just wearing a white essentials hoodie, and then I got this little jacket from Zara. This is also from Zara. I've been really liking it lately. I'll try and link all this stuff below. I don't think they have this jacket anymore. Actually, I got this like a few seasons ago. And then my Lululemon Aligns. And then you guys, these are my favorite socks. These are the best socks ever. They're the Aritzia TNA crew socks, and they're like the perfect thickness, and they're like perfect for sneakers. So highly recommend you guys get some of these socks. And then they also have like lower ones too. I think they have ankle socks, but I really prefer these ones that are like a little bit higher because I feel like they're cute with sneakers. So yeah, that's the fit. This is the sports watching fit of the day. Last night I actually didn't vlog, but I think what I ended up vlogging yesterday was going to Mine and Yours Co, but I had such a chaotic day that I just didn't have time to vlog, and I was not thinking about vlogging. After that I ended up going to the gym, and then I did like cardio and abs, and that was like really quick. So I just came home, ate lunch quickly, then headed to the gym, did the workout. Then I came home and showered, and then me and my friend Mariko went out, the one who does my hair for me. We went to Hotel Belmont, and if you're in Vancouver, you know, maybe. It's a hotel slash bar club that's on Granville Street, and we went last night, and it was super fun because me and her have been wanting to go check it out for like so long now and see what it's all about. So it was a really fun night, and now we are going out and about again to go watch Brandon, and I might go to Whole Foods afterwards too. My mom wants me to stop there to pick up some things. So yeah, I literally feel like in every vlog I'm going to Whole Foods, but I just feel like it wouldn't be a Maryland vlog if I didn't go to Whole Foods. So let's go now. So busy here today, it's crazy, but I got everything I need. I decided to get some of these like whole wheat English muffins because I've been eyeing them for so long, and I feel like they'd be really good for breakfast or like with eggs. So I'm excited, and I think they're fresh, which is also really nice. They just look really yummy, so I'm excited to try. So much for watching this vlog. There's gonna be so many more vlogs coming. I know I took a few weeks off because I had finals, so I was like grinding with that. I was literally drowning in finals, but now I'm so excited to be vlogging more and putting out more content for you guys and focusing more on my social media again. So I'm so excited. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa and their Mother's Day sale that's happening right now. Buy one get one 40% off. Such a great deal. You can also use my code marilynbrimacombe 10 for 10% off your purchase, and I'm gonna put it all in the description box below for you guys to check out. And yeah, I love you, and I will see you in next week's video.